Hello everybody, I thought I'd make this video to show you all how to start with Microbot. So let's just get a few things out of the way. We want to set up our IDE. After we've done that, we want to create a quick script. So the first part of setting up the IDE is to set up our GitHub account. So just to explain this briefly, as I do it in the background, you're gonna create an account on GitHub. You're gonna go to the Microbot repository. You're going to click create a fork, and then you're going to obtain the link from this fork, because this is all the data of Microbot which you're going to be putting into the IDE. And so you need that link, and also you're going to need the link to the original repository, the Microbot repository. And with these two links obtained, you're now ready to download the IDE. This is pretty simple. We're going to get the latest community version of IntelliJ. You're going to get it in your downloads folder. You're going to install it. And once it's installed, you're going to click on clone repository. And just follow along on the screen. You want to put the link to your fork here, and you're going to clone that. And then we're going to go in, and we're going to make a few changes. So we'll call this optimizing the IDE. Now this is relatively simple. You're going to want to go into project structure and change it to Java 11 Tamarin, and then change the language to 11. And then you're going to want to clean install Maven, and also any kind of pop-ups that come up. There might be a pop-up on Lombok, you click enable. There might be a pop-up on your firewall settings, and you just say allow. And then you want to do a clean install, and then you want to reload the folders. And you can also generate sources. Just play around with those a bit to get the Maven sorted. And that's pretty much it. You have pretty much set up the IDE. If there's anything I've forgotten, I'll add it in here. And feel free to ask any questions if you get any problems. But now we're going to assume that the IDE is totally set up. This is even more simple, guys. We're going to go into the Microbot folder by following this chain. We go to the RuneLite client, we go to target, Java, we go down to the plugins, we go to the Microbot plugin, open that up, and you're going to find the example. You open up example, and you're going to open up the example script.java, and you're going to type in here microbot.log, open bracket, quotation mark. This is my quick script. But you want to go into configurations up here. You want to make sure that it says 11. And then you want to fire her up, and it should launch RuneLite. And then you're going to go into this moderators M up here. You're going to find example, and you're going to turn it on. And you're going to see that it prints out a quick script. And there you go. You've set up your IDE, and you've made a quick script. You're welcome. Okay, coming back at you from beyond the grave. So I've got a really good example here of an issue that might arise, and it is Maven related. So you can click to launch, and after you've set up your configuration, set it to Tamarin 11, SDK 11 and all that, and you can click play, and then it comes up this like white screen, and you're like, oh, this is weird and annoying. This isn't RuneLite, this is a white screen. And so what you want to do is, like I put on a loop about 4 or 5 times, you want to reload the Maven projects. You want to generate Maven sources, and then you want to possibly do a clean install. Just to confirm, what clean does is it cleans out this target folder. The target folder is where the jar is created, which you can go and double click once you've made your own scripts or any alterations to the project. You click clean and it deletes it all. Then you click install and it installs it again. And then generating those sources and reloading the sources just helps iron out any bugs that come up. The biggest bug being that white screen. That white screen is Maven related. The rest of your project's probably fine once you've gotten to that point. And so it was really good that in the making of this video that issue came up. You can see here I clicked the play button as well. Clicking the debug can help. However, it should be the same as the play button. And yeah, that is an issue that may arise. And now you've got a solution for that. So, yes. Ciao, ciao. Yeah.